Packing for a trip is always exciting. Choosing your favorite clothes, picking out the right shoes, and making sure your travel documents are in order. Every item you pack is a step closer to your next adventure. But for many travelers, there's one more thing that's just as important as a passport: motion sickness medicine. For millions of people, that small box of tablets is a travel essential, right up there with your ID and boarding pass. Motion sickness can strike unexpectedly when your brain gets mixed signals from your eyes and inner ear. The result? Nausea, dizziness, and a trip that suddenly feels a lot less fun. That's why preparing for it is just as important as planning your itinerary or booking your hotel. A little foresight can make all the difference. With the right remedy, you can enjoy every moment of your journey. No more skipping boat tours, avoiding scenic drives, or dreading winding roads. Being informed and prepared means you can focus on the adventure ahead, not on anxiety or discomfort. Today we'll break down the best medications for motion sickness, how they work, when to take them, and how to use them safely, so you can travel with confidence. Think of this as your personal guide to traveling smart, feeling your best, and making the most of every trip. With just a little planning and the right information, everyone, from solo explorers to families, can enjoy travel to the fullest. Let's dive into the solutions that keep you moving forward, without the misery of motion sickness holding you back. Ready to reclaim your love for travel and make every journey memorable? Let's get started. End scene. End. Meet Sarah, a passionate traveler with a love for exploring new places and cultures. But her adventures were always cut short by motion sickness, which left her feeling queasy and miserable on every trip. She remembers missing out on breathtaking Greek island views, stuck on the boat deck, unable to enjoy the scenery because she felt so sick. But when a dream trip to Costa Rica came up, Sarah knew she couldn't let motion sickness ruin another adventure. She decided it was time to take control of her travel experience. She consulted her pharmacist, picked up over-the-counter antihistamines, and followed the instructions carefully, determined to make this trip different. For the first time, she enjoyed her flight, gazing out the window at the clouds with a smile, feeling calm and comfortable. Even the bumpy bus ride through winding roads was manageable. No nausea, just a bit of drowsiness, which was a small price to pay for comfort. Sarah finally arrived at her destination, excited and ready for adventure, no longer held back by her stomach. Her story shows how a little planning, the right advice, and the right medication can truly open up the world for anyone who loves to travel. With the right approach, motion sickness doesn't have to hold you back from exploring new places and making memories. You can turn travel anxiety into anticipation and look forward to every journey ahead. Let's take a closer look at how these medications work to keep your adventures on track. End scene. So, what's in those motion sickness pills? Let's dive into the details. Most are antihistamines like Dramamine, dimenhydrinate, or Bonine, meclizine. These medications are widely available and can be found in most pharmacies. These block the brain signals that trigger nausea, stopping symptoms before they start. This can be a lifesaver for those prone to motion sickness. They're easy to find, easy to take, and work for most car, plane, or boat trips. Just pop a pill before your journey and you're good to go. For longer journeys or severe cases, doctors may prescribe the scopolamine patch. This is especially useful for those who need extended relief. This small patch goes behind your ear and delivers medication steadily for up to 3 days. It's a convenient option for continuous protection. It works by blocking the same nausea signals, but with longer-lasting relief. This can make a huge difference on long trips. Just apply it at least 4 hours before travel for best results. This ensures the medication has enough time to take effect. Wash your hands before and after applying to avoid getting medication in your eyes. This is an important step to prevent irritation. For many, the patch is a game changer. No more worrying about missing doses. It offers peace of mind and consistent relief. Whether you choose pills or a patch, knowing your options is the first step to a smoother journey. Make an informed choice based on your needs. Let's talk about side effects and timing. Understanding these aspects can help you manage your motion sickness more effectively. End scene. Motion sickness meds can cause drowsiness, dry mouth, or blurred vision. Always test your medication at home before your trip to see how you react. If you're driving or need to stay alert, plan accordingly. Timing is everything. These meds work best as prevention, not cure. Take pills 30-60 minutes before travel. Apply the patch at least 4 hours ahead. Don't wait until you feel sick. By then, it's often too late for the medicine to help. Think of it like opening your umbrella before the rain starts. Being proactive means you can enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Smart timing and preparation are your best defense. Next, let's look at when to seek professional advice. End scene. If you travel often or have health conditions, talk to your doctor before your trip. They can recommend the best medication for you and check for any interactions with your current prescriptions. A quick consultation can turn guesswork into a solid plan. For frequent travelers, your doctor can help you find long-term solutions and rule out other causes of symptoms. Remember, medication is just one part of the strategy. In our next segment, we'll cover non-medical tips, like choosing the right seat, focusing on the horizon, and avoiding heavy meals. Share your own travel hacks in the comments below. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can travel smarter and feel better. Don't let motion sickness hold you back from exploring the world. Safe travels. End scene.